This is a silicon wafer. Semiconductor companies like Intel, Samsung, and TSMC produce electronic chips by processing the surface of such silicon wafers. Today, up to 70% of the produced electronic chips, high-end electronic chips, have defects. Why? Because there are hundreds of process steps to produce an electronic chip, and a problem in one of these process steps can contaminate the wafer, creating defects and leading billions of dollars financial loss every year.
You might ask, why is a nearly $500 billion industry not able to solve this problem? It's because they cannot see the contamination. Unisers uses a very unique approach by applying a nanotechnology coating. This coating makes the invisible contamination visible.
The support from the Gebert Rüf Stiftung enabled us to prove our technology to customers, understand the demands of the industry, and find a sweet spot in the market.
Our prototype is ready, fully tested, and validated by the leading industry committee in the United States. We use our prototype for initial customer engagement. Customers sent us wafers, and we provide an analysis service by inspecting these wafers, helping them to understand and control their contamination. Now, the next step is we will take our tool to the customer site and find the contamination at its source. We believe that our technology will be a key enabler in semiconductors industry, help them to improve their profits significantly, and reduce the use of natural resources by millions of tons every year.